Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're making some caramel apple s'mores. I never knew this existed, but it sounds amazing and delicious, and I can't wait to try them. So, let's get baking. We're going to start by washing and coring 2 Granny Smith apples, and then we will be cutting them into decent sized slices, not too thin but not too thick. Next, we are going to take 1 can of caramel and we'll add 1 to 3 tablespoons of water to it, and we'll microwave this for 30-second intervals until it gets to our desired consistency. Now you're going to take a tray and line it with parchment paper, and you'll add 12 marshmallows to this, and you can do this in either your oven or a toaster oven, but you're going to set the rack to the highest level in your desired device, and we're going to put these on broil for 5 minutes until they come out toasty. For our assembly, we're going to start with 2 apple slices, put some caramel on that, and then add our marshmallow, and I will suggest oiling your spatula so the marshmallow doesn't stick to it as much. And then we're going to put a piece of chocolate on that. You can use a Hershey's bar, that is totally okay. And then we will top that with caramel and 2 more apple slices. And hey, maybe we'll drizzle some more caramel on top of that. Who knows? We can get crazy here. So here's the final product. I made 3 really delicious looking s'mores, and I love how the marshmallows came out. They look so toasty and awesome. So I'm gonna try and pick this up without making a mess. Ooh, it's sticking together. I didn't even refrigerate these. Oh boy, here we go. That is amazing. The marshmallow and the apple surprisingly work together. I never really thought of that as a good food combo. It's actually really good. And the chocolate, I would like for the chocolate to be a little more melted, but I'm sure you could do that by just putting it in a toaster oven for a few seconds just to get a little softer. But all in all, this is amazing. I totally recommend it. Please make this at home. You don't need a fire, you just need a toaster oven, or even just your oven. So that's gonna be it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe to see more baking videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Dang, these are big. I'm not used to this new generation of marshmallows.
It's not a new generation.
I'm old.
This will be satisfying in reverse. Yeah, just on the top.
Ooh, cool. All right. You're lucky that your sister makes you caramel apple s'mores. I could be a jerk, sister.
You're making thin pieces.
I know. If you're a jerk, sister, then we
I could be a serial killer.
I'll cut his pay. Jokes on him, he doesn't get paid.